Welcome to NCCD360. In this video, we'll walk through the platform together so you can feel confident navigating the system in your day-to-day work. Let's start at the beginning. In this video, I'll show you how to view, track, and upload student evidence within your NCCD applications. At the top center of the NCCD homepage, you can search for applications, evidence, and more. Simply type in the student's name or student ID. Once you locate the student's profile, you'll be able to see all information connected to that student, including observations and evidence. If you'd like to add an observation, click the plus observation button on the right-hand side. If you'd like to add evidence, click the plus evidence button. When you select New Evidence, you'll see the student's name already selected under the NCCD application field. Under Observations, you can choose from the option Cognitive, Supplementary, or Diagnostic. In the Evidence Area section, you'll need to select the area covered by this NCCD evidence. The available options are Identify Assessed Needs, Adjustment Consultation, and Collaboration Review. And monitor each of these options will provide additional fields to help guide you in entering the required information. Simply follow the prompts under Step 2, NCCD information. Make sure the functional areas you select are supported by documented evidence, are linked to the adjustments being provided, reflect the ongoing impact of the disability, not just a moment in time. After completing the required information, upload your supporting documents in Step 3. You can then choose Save and Close or Save and Continue. Back in the student's profile, you'll be able to see the newly added evidence listed in the menu. From there, you can edit or delete the evidence if needed. You're now ready to start exploring student evidence. In the next video, we'll continue through the platform and cover the next steps.